Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Jiaozi, often known as Chinese dumplings, holds a special place in Chinese food culture. These aren't just any dumplings, they're a symbol of good fortune and togetherness, especially during celebrations like Chinese New Year. You'll find them at family gatherings and as a comforting meal any day of the week. We'll take you through the interesting past of Jiaozi, from its early beginnings to how it became a beloved dish. This video will also guide you on how to make them, covering different cooking methods so you can enjoy these delicious parcels at home. Get ready to explore the world of Jiaozi. A rich history, the origins and evolution of Jiaozi. The journey of Jiaozi, the beloved Chinese dumpling, began centuries ago, not as a festive treat but as a form of medicine. Its story is woven into the fabric of Chinese culture, reflecting ingenuity, adaptation, and a deep appreciation for food that nourishes both body and soul. Let's explore how these humble parcels transformed from ancient remedies into a global culinary icon. Ancient roots and medicinal beginnings. Our story begins around the Eastern Han Dynasty, between 25 and 220 AD, with a compassionate physician named Jiaozi. He noticed many of his patients suffering from frostbitten ears during harsh winters. To help them, he created a special healing dish he called Jiao, tender ears. Here's how this unique remedy worked. Ingredients for warmth. Jiaozi would mince lamb, blend it with chili, and mix in various medicinal herbs. Wrapped for healing. He then wrapped this mixture in small pieces of dough, shaping them like ears. Cooked and served hot. These ear-shaped dumplings were boiled and served hot, providing both warmth and medicine to his patients. The idea was simple yet profound. The hot ingredients and the warmth from the dish itself helped improve blood circulation, preventing or healing frostbite. Jiaozi's shower was a testament to his innovative spirit, merging food with therapeutic intent to bring comfort and healing to those in need. Evolution into a culinary staple and festival food. Over time, Jiaozi moved beyond its medicinal origins and became a widely enjoyed food. Its transformation into a culinary staple was gradual, spreading throughout China and adapting to local tastes and ingredients. What started as a healing broth evolved into the versatile dumpling we know today, filled with a variety of meats and vegetables. Jiaozi holds a special place in Chinese celebrations, particularly during the Chinese New Year, Spring Festival. This association is deeply symbolic. Symbol of wealth. The traditional shape of Jiaozi resembles yuanbao, ancient Chinese gold and silver ingots. Eating Jiaozi during the New Year is believed to bring prosperity and good fortune in the coming year. Family togetherness. Preparing and eating Jiaozi is a cherished family activity, symbolizing unity and reunion. Families often gather to make hundreds of dumplings together, a practice that strengthens bonds and creates lasting memories. While most famous for its role in the Spring Festival, Jiaozi also appears at other important times. It is often served during Dongjia, Winter Solstice Festival, reinforcing its connection to warmth and family. Its presence at these celebrations highlights its deep cultural significance, extending beyond simple nourishment to embody hope, tradition, and communal joy. The art of Jiaozi, wrappers, fillings, and folding techniques. Making Jiaozi means focusing on three main parts: the wrapper, the filling, and the folding technique. Each element contributes to the overall taste and experience. When you get these right, you create a dumpling that is not only delicious but also a joy to prepare. Let's explore how to master each of these essential components. Crafting the perfect wrapper, dough essentials. The Jiaozi wrapper is more than just a cover, it is a fundamental part of the dumpling's texture. Think of it as the canvas for your culinary masterpiece. The good news is that the ingredients are very simple, typically just flour and water. Here's what you need to know about dough for wrappers. Ingredients. You only need all-purpose flour and warm water. The warmth helps the flour absorb better and creates a softer dough. Kneading is key. Kneading the dough develops its gluten, which makes it elastic. A well-kneaded dough stretches without tearing, making it easier to roll thin wrappers. You'll want to knead it until it is smooth and bounces back when you gently poke it. Thickness matters. The thickness of your wrapper affects the final texture. Thinner wrappers are ideal for delicate, lighter fillings, giving a more refined bite. Slightly thicker wrappers work better for heartier fillings, offering a satisfying chew and ensuring the dumpling holds together during cooking. While homemade wrappers offer superior freshness and texture, store-bought wrappers are a convenient alternative. They usually come in different thicknesses, so you can pick what works best for your filling. Diverse and delicious fillings, from classic to creative. The filling is where Jiaozi truly shines, offering a world of flavors from traditional favorites to new creations. This is your chance to get creative and tailor the dumplings to your taste. The beauty of Jiaozi is in how you can mix and match ingredients. Some popular traditional fillings include pork and cabbage, a classic combination, offering a balanced taste and texture. Pork and chives. The chives give a pungent, aromatic kick that pairs well with pork. Shrimp and leek. A lighter, seafood-based option with a fresh, sweet flavor. Vegetarian options are also plentiful and equally delicious. You can use ingredients like tofu, crumbled and mixed with seasonings for a protein-rich base. Mushrooms. Shiitake, oyster, or cremini mushrooms add an earthy depth. Various vegetables. Cabbage, carrots, spinach, or corn can be finely chopped and combined. The key to a great filling is proper seasoning and making sure it is not too watery. Excess moisture can make the wrappers soggy and difficult to seal. Squeeze out extra liquid from vegetables before mixing them. Good seasoning ensures every bite is flavorful, whether you use soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, or white pepper. From ancient origins to their role in celebrations, Jiaozi carries stories that go beyond the dining table. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.